Before each night is done, your plan will be unfurled by the dawning of the sun. He'll take over the world.
Hello, my name is Evan Kwiatkowski, and I'm a resident mathematician who will be in your classrooms this year. As a kid, I always had an interest in math and science. In college, I majored in math and even had the opportunity to present math research in New Orleans, Louisiana. I currently am a math PhD student at the University of Colorado, Denver. I moved to Denver from New York, and my favorite part about the move has been the Rocky Mountains. In my spare time, I like to play chess, trumpet, and basketball, as well as hike and travel. I look forward to seeing all of you this year. Today, I want to share a math activity with you. This activity is called the Towers of Hinoa. You might be able to try this at home with materials that may be around the house. What you need are 3 empty paper towel rolls and different sized rolls of tape. I've numbered these rolls of tape 1 through 5, with 5 being the largest. You might want to tape the paper towel rolls to the table to make them a bit more sturdy. The game begins by placing 3 or more rolls of tape on the leftmost pole. The objective is to move these rolls of tape in descending order to the right-hand pole. What that means is the rolls of tape begin with 1, 2, 3, 3 on the bottom, and they should end on the right-hand pole, 1, 2, 3 again, with 3 on the bottom. There are 2 rules. Only 1 roll of tape can be moved at a time, and whenever there's a roll of tape on top of another one, the larger number must be on the bottom. Let's try to move these rolls of tape to this pole in the fewest number of moves. There, I was able to complete the challenge in only 13 moves. However, I could have solved it in fewer. In fact, there is a formula to compute the fewest number of moves depending on how many rolls of tape I started with. Let's look on the board. If I start with n rolls, the fewest number of moves is 2 to the nth power minus 1. So in the case where I begin with 3 rolls, the fewest number of moves would be 2 to the 3rd power minus 1, which is 2 times 2 times 2 minus 1, which is 8 minus 1, which is equal to 7. If I was to begin with 4 rolls, the fewest number of moves would be 2 to the 4th power minus 1. 2 to the 4th power minus 1 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 minus 1, which would be 16 minus 1, which would be 15. So try using 4 rolls of tape and completing the challenge in only 15 moves. I'm going to try it right now. As you can see, I have tried to solve it in 15 moves and I'm still not there yet. There, I was able to solve it, but it took much more than 15 moves. Try to solve it on your own in only 15 moves. In fact, try to solve it with 5 rolls of tape at the start and see how many moves it takes. I look forward to meeting all of you and sharing more math throughout the school year.